Teachers are the architects of our future, crafting minds with wisdom and care. They ignite curiosity, inspire dreams, and guide us through the journey of knowledge. Hi, I'm Ayman Sahai, a qualified chartered accountant and a data scientist. 2 years ago, when I was upskilling myself in the finance domain by pursuing CFA, I never really thought that the field of tech would capture my interest so deeply. But here I am, blending my financial skills with a career in data science and AI. For those who come from a non tech background, this isn't a walk in the park. Data science isn't easy, but with the right teachers, it is achievable. So, on this Teachers' Day, I'm making this video as a heartfelt thank you to all the amazing mentors and teachers at Alma Beta who made data science possible for me. First of all, a big shout out to Arnav Kundu sir, who made learning to code feel like a breeze. His teaching style is very intuitive, and the way he connects each topic to a real world use case just makes the idea stick. So I recall this one incident when he was teaching Lambda functions in Python. Now, Lambda functions are not easy, but his teaching style was. He referred to basic questions as cute. He explained the fundamentals so well that today, when I think about Lambda functions, I just remember that particular topic, like how he explained it, and I'm able to solve the questions. When he was teaching recursive CTEs in SQL, now recursive CTEs are also not a very easy topic, but the way he explained was quite different. So he explained it with the help of an animation. That animation took you through each step of how recursive CTEs work sequentially. I just go back to that animation. I don't have to watch any other videos or read anything else. That animation is just good enough. In my current AlmaX journey, I've had the chance to interact with Alok Anand sir, who is the co-founder of Alma Beta. Rarely in life you would come across people who are so calm and composed, yet very sharp and to the point. He was reviewing my resume. He analyzed each point so well, and he pointed out and highlighted my strengths. He also corrected some of my mistakes and highlight the points that I need to improve upon and the topics that I need to focus on and dive deeper into. For every data analyst interview, guesstimates is an integral part. And there are many YouTube videos that explain this concept, but when I attended his lectures, his explanation was so intuitive that now I understand guesstimates quite well. Now, if I talk about all my fun learning moments at Alma Beta, this video would become too long. So I'll just end here by saying a big thank you to all the mentors and teachers at Alma Beta who have been incredibly helpful and cooperative in my learning journey so far. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Keep learning. Bye.